Hi, I had 50 beauty products to use up for the rest of this year at the end of July. Let's see how I have done in August. I've actually finished a whole concealer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer. All gone. To be honest, I wasn't too happy with this. There are better concealers out there. I did like the applicator. The only problem was that a lot of product would get on there and, not really come off. I didn't feel it was the most hygienic option out there. My current favorite is the Lancome Tinted Concealer, which works much better and has a more, hygienic applicator and an equally soft and well-spreading one. So that is my favorite. Won't be repurchasing this. I have finished the Revolution liner. All gone. Won't be repurchasing this. I think came in one of those mystery bags from Revolution a long time ago in the dark ages. Won't be repurchasing that either. Now let's move to cleansers. Two products here. The first is the L'Oreal Viii C Brightening Cleanser and the second is the Soap & Glory Ultimelt Hot Clock Cleanser. This is my second one of the Soap & Glory Cleanser, but this is my first ever tube of the L'Oreal Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. This one I felt was too harsh for me, particularly now when my skin is wrecked with all the with a lot of problems. Some of you may know what the problem is. You can watch a video on it somewhere in the depths of my channel, how my skin has changed over the last couple of years, if you are interested. But yeah, this was too harsh, wasn't gentle when we repurchasing. This one was gentle, but it is my second one. It isn't, an absolute favorite, but it isn't bad. But, I feel that the Face Shop, Rice Water Cleansing Light Oil works better for me as a makeup removing cleanser than this one. So we'll be repurchasing that instead, and that is cheaper. I'm slowly trying to get my skin used to actives, so Paula's Choice 2% pH. I'm trying to, finish this. There's enough to irrigate a small farm in here because so many brands have been sending this in all these beauty boxes and advent calendars, and this is by no means my last one. Hang on. Yeah, that's the new packaging. This is the old packaging. This is full, all gone, this one. So yeah, there's loads to use up. And I actually have full-sized ones of this as well. So I won't be repurchasing because it's way too much in here, people. Right, let's move to lip balm. This is the My Life Diabetics Care. All gone. This actually, I got this as a compliment from a pharmaceutical company during a conference on diabetes. So yeah, I can't repurchase this. It was all right as a lip balm. Nice, smelled good, felt good. Can't repurchase. Was a complimentary product. I mean, not a PR sample as such. All these conferences, they have all these stalls where you have lip balms and, complimentary products kept in jars or, little bowls over there. And then you can just go and take one out of a bowl. Yeah, the person over there just handed one out to me. So, yeah, that was it. Sunscreen. Absolute favorite product. Hada Labo UV Gel SPF 50 PA++++. All gone. Absolute favorite. Have repurchased. I've got two more and will repurchase forever. They better not discontinue or reformulate this. My favorite facial sunscreen. I know it is not mineral sunscreen. It is chemical sunscreen, but this works best for me beneath makeup. I am wearing it beneath this makeup right now, and I absolutely love this product. It doesn't pill, it hydrates, it soothes my skin, it soothes the flakes, the flakiness, and sort of calms my skin down nicely. It isn't the easiest to reapply, of course, but yeah, I'd rather, reapply a tinted sunscreen on top. But this one, really, really good product. If you don't mind your chemical sunscreen, excellent. Gives you an insane glow. Even my dermatologist says I have a good glow these days. Facial moisturizer. Will not be repurchasing this because I no longer use snail products. But, had to finish this one off. This came in a beauty box a long time ago. This is the CosRx Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. All gone, as you can see there. A decent moisturizer. I wouldn't say, this is groundbreaking or anything. I prefer CeraVe to this any old day, and CeraVe works better. I had to apply CeraVe on top of this anyway. Won't be repurchasing. Came in a beauty box, had to use some. Hand cream, by Rido Slow Dance. As you can see, it's all gone. This came from Space NK. I think it was an advent calendar from Space NK. Smelled nice. This is my first ever by Rido product, actually. Yeah, smelled nice, felt good. Won't be repurchasing. There are better hand creams out there that don't cost as much. Body moisturizer, Bath and Body Works, aromatherapy, steeped invigoration. Something wrong with me today. Steeped invigoration. So the notes here are rose, tangerine, and tea. So as you can see, that's all gone. This is a very sort of wake me up kind of tea smell. I can definitely get the tea there and the tangerine and the citrus. Rose not so much. But yeah, it is very invigorating. Loved this. May repurchase eventually after running out of all the Bath and Body Works moisturizers that I've got. Lastly, hair product. Garnier Nourishing Banana Hair Food. All gone. Oh, I could smell this forever. This is my second tub of this thing, yeah. And I absolutely love this because the smell of the fruit, of whatever it is, banana in this case. They also have macadamia, which I like, and papaya, which I don't like as much. The smell sort of the fragrance lingers on your hair nicely, and not in a cloying, overkill way either. Just right, yeah. At the same time, it's excellent for detangling, and you know it's cheap as chips. You don't have to worry about ginormous cost, particularly if you have long and thick hair as I do. So you know I need a lot of product for detangling this mess, yeah, and for conditioning this mess. So this kind of tub, lots of product, cheap as chips, works best for me. Will repurchase. So that is 11 products that I have finished up in August, which leaves me with 39 products to get through in 4 months. September, October, November, and December. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. What have you been using up recently? Have you used any of these products? If you did get the Space NK Advent calendar from a couple of years ago, have you tried your by Rido hand cream yet? If so, what did you think of it? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and speak to you soon.